Hello everyone. Myself, Advocate Gautam Harshwal, working at LEXIS and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. Today we will be discussing a very specific or very helpful topic for many of for basically those who are being convicted, or there are false cases has been registered against someone. Today we will, in this video, we will be discussing fake rape cases. Okay, so the main title of this particular video is fake rape cases, how it works, and what the current data or the recent data says about all this, and how fake rape cases works. And also I also explain in this video that how you can save yourself, if someone has filed a case against you. So first we will be discussing the what NCRB data says. As per the NCRB data, about in India about 74% of rape cases under section 376 of Indian Penal Code end up acquitting the accused and not convicting the accused person. Acquitting means they they being released on after being proved that there has been a rape case has been filed against this person or that person. So but does this mean that all the cases in India, all the rape cases are fake? Obviously you will say, obviously it's not. you know the remaining 26% is are not fake rape cases. Okay, and on that basis, or on the basis of 74%, we cannot judge the remaining 26% basically. And there are such, in India there are such cases where women fail to prove that violence has happened to them, but it does not mean that violence did not happen against them. Okay, in many divorce cases basically, or the basically in violence cases, domestic violence cases, woman file case against husband or the family members of husband, but in the court of law she not able to prove it that violence has actually happened with her. But that doesn't mean the basically violence has not happened against that girl or that woman. And also some factors lead sexual violence survivors to withdraw their complaints also, which turn hostile during investigating or trial, or settle outside the court. Okay, and looking at the increasing number of fake rape cases in India, it is wrong to jump to the conclusion that women are misusing the law. Okay, this should not be the perception of the society that women are practicing fake cases, practicing fake rape cases against someone, or against a man, or against a boy. So, there is a need to strengthen India's judicial system. Rather than, we should, strengthen the Indian judicial system, and in which, women can prove the atrocities committed against them without any fear. Okay, there is also fear as well, in basically in rural area of India. There has, there are ample cases where sexual harassment, whether it's sexual harassment or domestic violence or some other mental torture or physical torture, woman or girl not even able to file a FIR against accused person, because the structure of Indian society, we all know that people are scared of their reputation. They care more for their reputation rather than their daughter, their wife, or or therefore their sister as well. Okay, but we all know that crime has no gender. uh, Let me know in the comment section, do you agree with this or not? And now let's discuss that what impact basically what impact fake rape cases do to the person whom against the case has been filed. So the most and the first impact is job prospect. Obviously, if someone has filed a rape case against a boy or man, in 99% cases or 100% cases, he will lose his job. And obviously, if you lose your job, you will, your future will be disastrous. Okay, so basically it's also future loss as well, reputation loss. In the society in which you are living, in Indian society, we all know that reputation is the main thing to deal with. Okay, you have to deal with such thing every single day. And the last and the final is career. Okay, if someone has filed a fake rape case against a person, his career will be destroyed. They will, he will end up with his career. But you know uh, you don't have to worry about this. Let's discuss what precaution you can take, because Indian judicial system is not that much weak. You just need to know your rights, or you just you don't have to be aware about your basic rights also. So the first precaution, if someone has filed a fake rape case against you, the first precaution you should take is file a counter FIR against that woman or against that girl. And second, without taking much time, go and consult with a defense lawyer, with a good defense criminal lawyer, and explain him your situation. Explain him every single information. Do not, I'm saying, do not repeat any information regarding your case. Go and share, all the information with your criminal defense lawyer. He will, so that he can make your case more easy to deal. And he also can make you free from the charges which has been filed against you. And the last is, you also should file a defamation suit as well against that girl, that she has defamed you, because you have not committed that case, that crime. So basically you are not wrong, and see, somewhere she is defaming your reputation as well. So you must file a reputation suit against that girl as well. And in the last, what are the aspects of fake rape cases basically in India? What is, why it's so important to discuss with you is, fake rape cases is the only cases in which it's easy to file. Okay, it takes nothing. It's so easy to file against someone, but hard to prove in the court of law. Okay, you have filed, or the girl has filed a case against you, but it's so hard to prove it in the court of law. And the last is, it is more harder to defend it in the court of law as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section, and share this information, share this video with your friends, family members, so that if someone has filed, or in the future they filed against a case against them, they can save themselves. Thank you so much.